my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. In today's tutorial, we'll explain how to see blocked friend list on Facebook. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Go down until we get setting and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get blocking. Here you can find blocked friend list. Also you will find notification from Facebook saying once you blocked someone, that person can no longer see things you post in your timeline. Tags you, invite you to events or group, start a conversation with you or added you as a friend. This doesn't include apps, games or group you both participated in. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to see blocked friend list on Facebook. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.